Hello guys and gals, this is Coach Paul. I'm so excited that you've taken the time to visit my YouTube channel. You see, I've been an entrepreneur a long time, somewhere approximately 25 or more years. Just don't want to tell my full age, but it's okay because the proof is on the face. Then my wife and I started a home care business 2007. We were very successful for that. I had to teach her how to become an entrepreneur because she was a workaholic. Now today we own a credit card repair business. And we have a mailbox that we have the perfect direct mail order business. Real mailbox cash. I just can't get with the people that holds your money, the middleman that records your money, and then you have to trust them to send you your money. Okay? So check out the next video. I share with you the postcards. Okay, I thought I have one here, and I do. Hold on for a minute. Let me show you this postcard. I think they're very colorful and gorgeous. You see that? Ooh, excuse me. You see that? Wait a minute, let me clear my throat. But you get paid 100% profits. Okay? 100% profits. And you get paid directly. And we have a free version. You see? That's the front. And those articles are true. And I even found a video, okay, that shows you an example of how the CBDA works. And there is no competition. You see, there's no competition because we have the real CBDA. And it's 3 streams of income. Now, I have some free postcards. You're going to get the beautiful colored ones when you order 200 of the direct mail leads, and you're going to get an extra 300 direct mail leads for free, which totals 500. And you'll get those cards with your domain printed. Okay? Now, to get the free cards, the free leads every month of 100, I believe that's what it is. These are the cards here. And you'll get them with your domain name still printed. If you desire, you can get a master copy. Okay? According to your budget, you can get a master copy so you can make your own. And then if you want to, if you have a lead source that you enjoy, you can use your own with that. And just enjoy getting paid leverage income when other people come and join you. That's it. It's really that simple, guys. And if you know anyone in North Carolina, because we are bonded, our credit repair business is bonded in the state of North Carolina, and you bring them to us, we'll give you a referral fee. And I'll show you how all that works. It depends on what you came here for. You just may have came here because you want to see what's going on out of curiosity. So that's what's going on. Again, have an awesome day, and I am so happy that you come to visit my YouTube channel.